People think betrayal ends the day of the truth came out. It doesn't. It lingers. In the question you can stop asking, and in the version of yourself you can never go back to. For a long time, I thought revenge would make the weight disappear. But somehow, if they felt what I felt, everything would finally make sense. But revenge has a way of asking for more than it ever gives. In the end, the hardest battle wasn't against the people who broke me. It was deciding who I would become because of them.